Integrating Mailchimp with Facebook is a great way to expand your marketing reach and seamlessly connect with your audience. In this video, we're going to walk you through the exact steps you need to follow to set up the integration between these two powerful tools, so stick around to the end to learn how you can get the most out of both platforms. First off, if you're new to Mailchimp, it's an email marketing platform that allows you to manage and communicate with your contacts. Facebook, on the other hand, is a fantastic social media tool for engagement and advertising. By integrating them, you can target your email subscribers directly through Facebook ads and grow your reach in a more meaningful way. You can start using both Mailchimp and Facebook completely free by checking out the first link in the description below, where you'll get exclusive bonuses. Next thing you'll need to do is connect your Mailchimp account to Facebook. In your Mailchimp account, head over to the Audience section. From there, click Integrations and look for Facebook. Click on it to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account and give Mailchimp the necessary permissions to access your Facebook page. Once you authorize the connection, you're good to go. The third thing to consider is syncing your Mailchimp audience with Facebook. This is crucial for making sure the people you want to target on Facebook are part of your Mailchimp audience. Mailchimp will allow you to create segments of your audience that can then be used for Facebook ad targeting. This integration means you can tailor your Facebook ads based on the specific interests and behavior of your email subscribers, making your ads more relevant and effective. Another key feature is creating custom audiences on Facebook directly from your Mailchimp contacts. You can create a custom audience based on a specific segment of your list. For instance, if you have an email list of people who've interacted with a particular campaign or product, you can target them specifically with ads on Facebook. This integration helps you fine-tune your marketing strategy and ensures you're reaching the right people with the right message. Next thing you'll want to do is set up Facebook ads directly from Mailchimp. Once your Mailchimp account is connected to Facebook, you can create and launch Facebook ads right from within Mailchimp's platform. This is incredibly convenient because it means you don't need to leave Mailchimp to start running Facebook ads that target your audience segments. You can create your ad copy, images, and even set your budget directly in Mailchimp and launch it on Facebook without switching back and forth between platforms. The fourth thing to keep in mind is how Mailchimp reports on the performance of your Facebook ads. After running your ads, you can monitor their success through Mailchimp's analytics. This feature gives you valuable insights into how well your ads are performing, so you can adjust your strategies and get better results over time. It helps you track metrics like click-through rates and conversions, so you know exactly how your Facebook campaigns are impacting your business. Finally, as a bonus, remember that Mailchimp's integration with Facebook gives you the ability to create powerful retargeting campaigns. If someone interacts with your ad but doesn't complete the desired action, like signing up for your email list or making a purchase, you can retarget them with specific follow-up ads. This boosts your chances of conversion and makes sure you're not leaving money on the table. To wrap things up, integrating Mailchimp with Facebook can help you streamline your marketing efforts, improve engagement, and ultimately grow your business. And don't forget, you can start using this integration for free by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also get an exclusive, extended free trial to try everything out. Thanks for watching.